Hi friends, today we are taking a look at a beautiful retro classic looking contemporary looks bearing a Nissan Micra. This is a 2011 registered doctor owned single hand driven diesel Micra, and the car is in white color with a black vinyl on rooftop, which looks amazing. And the car, basically I call it a common man's Beetle, because this has got that classic contemporary look for which Volkswagen Beetle is famous. However, everyone cannot afford to buy a Beetle, but this is something which actually gives you exactly similar kind of looks. At least in the same category is where I say the looks belong to. And the car is maintained so beautifully by this doctor, I must appreciate. This is the second doctor's car which I have got in recent times, and it is just beautiful. It's a spotless white color car, and this drives on a 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine. It delivers at about 85 bhp of power. However, I feel, though on records, on papers it says 85 bhp, but when you drive the car it easily feels like a 100 bhp car. It is immensely powerful. If I have to mess around with a Polo diesel, this is the only car I would like to drive against it. Nothing else will work for sure. Not a Swift VDI, not a Ritz VDI, nothing else will work. Not even a petrol Swift can beat this. Look at the tires. I've got you close up to the tires. The tires are absolutely brand new. There is no need to replace the tires. And that was the rear tire that I had shown you. This is the front tire that you can see now. Look at the headlamps. They're absolutely clean. No damages, no cracks, no moisture retention. Absolutely clear headlamps. Absolutely smooth, undamaged grille and the front bumper. And this is the other headlamp. I am showing you the car from the other side now, because we've already seen the right hand side of the car. This is the left hand side. This again is absolutely spick and span. There is no scratch, no dent, no damage to the vehicle. There are a few pieces of touch up that I've done, like on this left side running board which had a few scratches, so I have got a touch up done there. And just a little above the running board on the rear left door as well, just below the arch line that you see on the doors, just below that line there was a small scratch which has been touched up. So these are the things which I've done. Now this rear wiper is missing. I have already ordered it and I should be getting it by tomorrow, so I'll be putting the rear wiper as well. There is nothing else that is required in the vehicle, honestly. Both rear tail lamps are absolutely clean and clear. No moisture retention or no dust in them, no cracks or damages on them. The car really looks beautiful. I will now be taking you inside the vehicle. This comes with a keyless entry, push button start, all 4 power windows, power steering, air conditioning, factory fitted music system, and a driver side airbag as well. The seats on this car are not with seat covers. They are the original factory seats that you'll see, and they are really clean. Taking you closer to the car now. This are the original seats, guys. They're absolutely clean. No damages to the fabric, no damages to the interiors. This is the steering wheel with airbag. That's the music system that comes from the factory with aux. These are the AC control knobs. These are the 4 power window switches, the lock unlock central locking switch and the power window lock switch. Now these are the controls for your side mirrors. Now these have the car comes with automatic folding side mirrors. The ORVMs automatically fold by this button, and these are the arrows, the joystick to adjust the glass, the mirror inside. You can adjust it according to your convenience. Now you see there's no keyhole to it because it comes with this. It comes with a push button start, so you push this and the car will start. And to my surprise, the car is actually fun to drive. When I drive the vehicle, I really feel like I'm not driving a normal Japanese hatchback. It feels as if I'm driving a good German vehicle. It's got great stability. and immense power, I must say. However, in spite of all this, do you know how much it delivers in city? It's about 19 to 20 kilometers per liter of diesel in city and about 22-23 kilometers per liter on highways. I am directly taking you for a spin on the vehicle because it started raining already. If possible, I will make one more video where I go more in details with the car. However, I can show you the roof lining even right now. So if you see, the roof lining is absolutely clean. The rear seats are really clean. The door trims are absolutely spick and span. All 4 power window switches are intact, no damages to it. This is how the dashboard is. There's a glove compartment underneath here. So this is the glove box. And then there's a shelf here to keep something if you want. There are 2 cup holders here. There's a bottle holder here on the right side as well as on the left side door pocket. Now we go for a spin on the vehicle. That's the best part, on making on these videos, because then you actually know how the car is to drive. Now if you can notice, there is absolutely no engine noise. Unlike any other diesel hatchback, which is a little noisy inside the cabin, this is absolutely zero noise inside the cabin. We're driving on the first gear right now. Moving on to the second one now. It's a rainy day today. It was not raining when I came here to take the video, but all of a sudden it started raining, so I had to wrap it up a little quickly. But then I hope I have summed up everything that is required. There's no suspension trouble, no noise in the car. All 4 windows are closed, and you will hear any noise if there is. So there is no noise. The car is driving absolutely fabulous and powerful. It's really powerful. I don't think this engine deserves to be into a hatchback. In fact, I feel even the Sunny diesel, the long wheelbase Nissan Sunny diesel, drives on the same engine. So this is the same machine that is driving a Nissan Micra. You can imagine how powerful the car would be. We will also check the music quality once we are done with the drive, so you will know. Oh, by the way, the car has done about 92,000 kilometers on the odometer, and the car absolutely feels like new to drive. It's absolutely new. It's just like brand new. I mean, there is no noise in the cabin. There is no trouble with the suspension. There is no clutch issue. The clutch is absolutely soft like a petrol vehicle, and the car is really powerful. It's driving so nice. I'm enjoying driving it, yeah. You guys can take a look at this car at Navi Mumbai Nerul at Convoy Cars. My name is Abhishek Joshi. You can reach me on 9768001006. The price of this machine is only 2,25,000. Slightly negotiable, not too much of negotiation possible, because the car is worth every penny that I'm asking for. Come take a look at the machine and you will love it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.